Blue, like us, leave a positive comment, or better yet, subscribe.
This is CNN. Check out the Hammer Film, scariest movies ever.
Let me process this. You said you handcuffed my brother to a roof? You know, some of the things we had to do to stay alive.
I can't wait for Death Wish to come out so I could change my catchphrase.
All things considered, Penny was lucky she is my sister. Nice to see you, ladies and gentlemen, from all parts of the globe.
I'll get this crap done despite the Donald.
Hey, watch out, the people supposed to be America's friends don't do sabotage. I don't see why they need to make a second version of Mythbusters.
Oh, neither do I. Who could drink American beer, eh?
Just American oozes, eh? At this point, somebody make sure I have a box.